The discussions feature enables a two-way conversation between the coach and the participant. And it can be initiated by the coach to one or more participants on the project, or it can be initiated by the participant to the coach. So it's a great feature to send a pre-coaching session reminder message, or post-coaching session notes, or to upload your coaching agreements, or to send out a nurture sequence at the beginning of a coaching engagement. There's a number of ways you can use the discussion feature. To access the discussions feature, you'll do that from the participants area. You'll select the discussions link underneath the participant's name. Off to the right, you'll see a Start Discussion button. You can click on that button, and you'll be able to enter in its simplest form just a subject line and any message that you choose. And as soon as you click Start the Discussion, that message will be uploaded to Coachmetrix and sent out in an email directly to your participant's email address, their inbox. There's a few other features that I'd like to show you here as well. If you have repeatable messages, for example, you send out a pre-message with reflection questions to your participant before a coaching engagement, anytime there's some repeatability here, you can create a discussion template. And once you've created that discussion template, it will show up here inside this drop-down box. And if you select that template, it will pre-populate the subject line and it will pre-populate the body of the message, in which case you can change any of the content to customize it for that particular participant. And this feature is a great time saver. Or you might use it in conjunction with the Schedule Discussion Later feature to set up a series of nurture sequences. Or maybe you just want to use this Schedule Discussions for Later feature to send out some reminder messages at a later date. So that's the discussions feature. It's a great opportunity to optimize your communication with your participants. It creates a nice history record. Pay special attention to how you label your subject lines. And it's a great way to help you prepare for coaching sessions because you'll see all of your messages in one place, and your participant will also see all of her messages in one location.